All right, the second little mini assignment is creating a one-time assignment with reminders. Sorry, a one-time event with reminders. So let's say, how about we, for this one-time event, go to December 7th, which is 1 week from this Saturday, and let's say 9 p.m. Oops. So I go to December 7th, and I put my cursor right down where it says 9 p.m. and I click on it. And this event is going to be called Keyboarding Time Due. Keyboarding Due. Exclamation point. Okay? And then I'm going to click on More Options. Okay? I'm going to add a description. Today I must have 2 hours and 20 minutes more than I had last time. Okay? So you remember for your keyboarding assignment that you have to practice every day in class for the first 6 minutes, and that you have 1 hour of practice at home every week. Except for Thanksgiving week, you get a break and you only have to practice 20 minutes, or you can practice more to catch up. So basically that's a grading period, and you want to put that in your calendar, okay? And you want to add a notification. Say, sometimes you forget to do your homework and you might have extra practice the last week. So you're going to give yourself an email reminder 1 week before December 7th. And I actually use calendars all the time. They're good for everybody, but they're especially good for people that have a lot going on or have an easily distracted brain, which applies to many of us. Okay? So I've got my notification for an email notification for 1 week, and I'm going to do another notification 4 days ahead of time. I'm going to do both an email notification and a pop-up notification, so that when I'm logged into Google 3 days beforehand, there's going to be a pop-up notification saying your keyboarding is due. Okay? Then I'm going to save the item. Voila, so easy. There it is, it's on my calendar, and I'm going to get emails, 2 emails and a pop-up reminder before December 7th reminding me about my assignment. And now you need to put that, if you didn't already, you need to put that into your calendar.